Do you want to improve your personality, build confidence, control your mindset, and improve your English? If you want people to respect you, trust you, and take you seriously, you must build a strong personality. This is for you. Let's begin. Hello everyone, welcome to Listen and Learn. In this video series, you will learn how to build a strong personality step by step. A strong personality is not about being loud or showing off. It is about confidence, self-control, clear thinking, and strong communication. In this video, I will explain everything in a simple and practical way so that anyone can learn and apply it in real life. If you follow this full video series honestly, you will see real improvement in your confidence, behavior, and mindset. Before we start, make sure you subscribe to my channel, Listen and Learn, because this channel is made to help you grow your English, your mindset, and your life skills. Each part of this series will focus on one important area of personality development, and every lesson will be easy to understand and useful in daily life. Watch this video carefully, learn step by step, and try to practice what you learn. This is not just a motivational video. This is a learning video. If you have any question, you can ask me and I will reply. After understanding what this video is about, the first thing you must learn is the real meaning of a strong personality. Many people confuse personality with looks, money, or social status, but those things do not create strength inside a person. A strong personality starts from the inside, from how you think about yourself and how you handle life situations. When you are mentally strong, your personality automatically becomes strong. This is why we always start with the foundation, not with fake confidence or acting skills. To learn properly from this video, you must change the way you watch content. Do not watch this video like entertainment, watch it like a lesson. Sit calmly, focus on the words, and think about how they connect to your own life. Learning is not about memorizing words. Learning is about changing behavior. If you only listen but never practice, nothing will change. So from this moment, decide that you will apply at least one thing from every part of this series. A strong personality begins with self-respect. Self-respect means valuing your time, your words, and your actions. When you respect yourself, you stop doing things that make you feel weak inside. You stop lying to yourself. You stop making excuses. You start taking responsibility. Responsibility is power. Weak personalities always look for someone to blame. Strong personalities look for solutions. They ask, "What can I do better next time?" This simple question slowly builds inner strength. Another important part of building a strong personality is self-awareness. Self-awareness means knowing your strengths and accepting your weaknesses without hating yourself. Nobody is perfect. Strong people are not perfect either, but they are honest. They know where they are weak, and they work on it slowly. They do not pretend. They do not compare their real life with someone else's fake life on social media. They focus on progress, not perfection. While learning from this video, you must understand that personality does not change overnight. It is a long process. Just like building muscles in the gym, you need time, consistency, and patience. Some days you will feel motivated, and some days you will feel tired. Strong personalities are built on tired days, not on easy days. When you continue, even when you don't feel like it, your personality becomes stronger without you realizing it. One big mistake many people make is waiting to feel confident before taking action. This is wrong. Confidence is not the starting point. Action is the starting point. When you take small actions, confidence slowly grows. Speak even if your voice shakes. Try even if you feel afraid. Failure does not make you weak. Avoiding action makes you weak. Every strong person you admire today was once insecure and confused. The difference is they did not stop. In this video series, you will learn how to control your emotions instead of letting emotions control you. Emotional control is a major sign of a strong personality. When you react to everything, people control you. When you pause and respond calmly, you control yourself. This does not mean you become cold or emotionless. It means you become balanced. Balance is strength. You will also learn how discipline builds personality. Discipline is doing the right thing even when you do not feel like it. Motivation comes and goes, but discipline stays. When you wake up on time, keep your promises, and finish what you start, your brain starts trusting you. This self-trust is the core of confidence and strong personality. As you continue watching this series, remember one thing clearly. This journey is personal. Do not rush, do not compare, do not quit. Even small improvement is still improvement. If yesterday you were afraid to speak and today you speak a little more clearly, that is growth. Celebrate progress, not perfection. Before we move to the next part, I want to remind you again to subscribe to my channel, Listen and Learn, because this full series is designed step by step, and missing one part will break the learning flow. And remember, if you have any question, you can ask me and I will reply. Your questions help you learn deeper and help others learn too. In the next part, we will talk about the mindset of a strong personality. This part will change how you think, how you react, and how you see yourself. So stay focused, stay consistent, and continue learning with me. The mindset of a strong personality. Now that you understand the foundation of a strong personality, it is time to focus on the most important element of all, mindset. Your mindset is the way you think, interpret situations, and talk to yourself. If your mindset is weak, your personality will always feel unstable, no matter how talented or educated you are. A strong personality always starts with a strong mindset. This is why many people fail to improve themselves even after watching many videos. They try to change behavior without changing thinking. To learn properly from this part, you must pay attention to your inner voice. The inner voice is the voice you hear inside your head when something goes wrong or when you face difficulty. A weak mindset says, "I can't do this," "I am not good enough," or "this is too hard." A strong mindset says, "I will try, I can learn, and this will make me better." The words you say to yourself every day slowly shape your personality. If you talk to yourself like a failure, you will act like one. If you talk to yourself like a learner, you will grow. A strong mindset begins with responsibility. Strong people do not blame others for their situation. They do not blame family, society, government, or luck. This does not mean those things never affect life, but strong people focus on what they can control. When you say, "This is my responsibility," you take power back into your hands. Responsibility gives you control, and control builds confidence. This is one of the biggest mindset shifts you must make to build a strong personality. Another important part of a strong mindset is emotional awareness. Many people think strong people do not feel emotions, but this is not true. Strong people feel emotions deeply, but they do not let emotions decide their actions. They feel anger, but they do not shout. They feel fear, but they still move forward. They feel sadness, but they do not give up. In this video series, you are learning how to respond instead of react. Reaction is automatic and emotional. Response is calm and thoughtful. This difference alone can completely change your personality. To build a strong mindset, you must also accept discomfort. Growth always feels uncomfortable. If you always choose comfort, your personality will stay weak. Strong people choose growth over comfort. They speak even when they feel nervous. They learn even when they feel tired. They face problems instead of escaping. This does not mean you should suffer unnecessarily. It means you should not run away from challenges that help you grow. One powerful mindset habit is focusing on progress, not perfection. Perfection is impossible, and chasing it creates fear and stress. Progress creates confidence. When you focus on small improvement every day, you stay motivated and consistent. A strong personality is built through small daily wins, not big one-time success. Even improving 1% every day can change your life over time. Another mindset rule strong people follow is controlling attention. What you focus on grows. If you focus on negativity, fear will grow. If you focus on learning, confidence will grow. Many people waste mental energy on gossip, comparison, and negative news. Strong people protect their mind. They choose what they listen to, what they watch, and who they spend time with. This does not make them arrogant, it makes them focused. You must also understand the role of failure in building a strong personality. Failure is not the opposite of success, it is part of success. Every mistake teaches something. Weak mindsets feel ashamed of failure. Strong mindsets learn from failure. When something does not work, ask yourself, what did this teach me? This simple question turns pain into progress. Over time, fear of failure disappears and confidence grows naturally. A strong mindset also includes patience. Many people quit because results do not come fast. Strong people understand that real change takes time. They stay consistent even when there is no visible reward. This patience separates strong personalities from weak ones. When you keep going while others stop, your personality becomes powerful without effort. While learning from this part, practice one simple thing. Observe your thoughts for one day. When you notice negative self-talk, do not fight it, just replace it with a better thought. For example, change "I am bad at this" to "I am learning this." This small change slowly rewires your mindset and strengthens your personality. Before we move to the next part, remember that mindset is not changed in one day, it is trained daily. Be patient with yourself, but be honest, and most importantly, stay consistent. If this lesson helped you, subscribe to my channel, Listen and Learn, because the next part will focus on building real self-confidence, not fake confidence. And as always, if you have any question, you can ask me, and I will reply. Building real self-confidence, not fake confidence. Now, let us talk about one of the most important parts of a strong personality, and that is self-confidence. Many people misunderstand confidence. They think confidence means speaking loudly, showing attitude, or pretending to be perfect. This is fake confidence. Fake confidence breaks very easily. Real confidence is calm, quiet, and stable. Real confidence comes from self-trust. When you trust yourself, your personality becomes strong naturally. To build real self-confidence, you must first understand where confidence comes from. Confidence does not come from motivation or positive thinking alone. Confidence comes from action and experience. When you do something again and again, your brain starts believing in you. When you avoid things again and again, your brain starts doubting you. So confidence is not something you wait for. It is something you build by doing small, uncomfortable actions every day. One powerful way to build confidence is by keeping promises to yourself. If you say you will wake up early, wake up early. If you say you will practice speaking, practice speaking. When you break promises to yourself, your self-respect decreases. When you keep promises, your self-respect increases. Self-respect is the base of confidence. Strong personalities do not depend on others to feel confident. They depend on their own actions. Another important part of confidence is accepting imperfection. You do not need to be perfect to be confident. You only need to be honest and willing to improve. Many people delay action because they want everything to be perfect. This creates fear and inaction. Strong people take action even when things are not perfect. They learn while moving forward. Confidence grows through progress, not perfection. Confidence also comes from preparation. When you prepare, fear reduces. If you want to speak confidently, prepare your words. If you want to work confidently, prepare your skills. Strong personalities respect preparation. They do not rely on luck, they rely on effort. When you know you are prepared, your body language, voice, and behavior automatically become confident. Another key point is body language. Your body and mind are connected. When you stand straight, make eye contact, and move calmly, your brain receives a signal of strength. Even if you feel nervous inside, body language helps build confidence over time. Do not rush your movements. Slow down. Calm behavior shows control, and control shows strength. You must also learn to stop seeking approval. When you always want others to like you, your confidence becomes weak. Strong personalities respect others, but they do not depend on validation. They do what they believe is right, not what is popular. This does not mean being rude or selfish. It means being honest and respectful to yourself. Fear is another thing that stops confidence. You must understand that fear never disappears completely. Even confident people feel fear. The difference is they do not stop because of fear. They act with fear. Every time you act despite fear, your confidence increases. Avoiding fear makes it stronger. Facing fear makes you stronger. To practice confidence from this video, choose one small action today. Speak up once. Try something new. Finish one task you have been avoiding. Do not wait for big opportunities. Confidence is built through small, daily actions. When you do this consistently, your personality will become stronger without you forcing it. Remember, confidence is not about being better than others. It is about being better than your past self. Focus on growth, not comparison. Comparison kills confidence. Growth builds confidence. Now, we have reached the end of this video. In this series, you learned what a strong personality really is, how mindset shapes your personality, and how real self-confidence is built step by step. A strong personality is not created in one day. It is built through awareness, discipline, action, and patience. If you apply what you learned from this video in your daily life, you will slowly notice changes in your thinking, behavior, and confidence. Remember, do not rush the process. Stay consistent, practice daily, respect yourself. This is how strong personalities are built. If this video helped you, please subscribe to my channel, Listen and Learn, because this channel is made to help you grow your English, your mindset, and your life skills. And finally, if you have any question, you can ask me and I will reply. Thank you for watching. Keep learning, keep growing, and I'll see you in the next one.